Just ask you once again to check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you're all very welcome to Dublin, where the local time is just coming to 3:40. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not turn on your mobile phone or any other electronic equipment until we have opened the doors. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material that you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead bins and the seat pocket in front of you. Please take care when opening the overhead bins in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or to a fellow passenger. On behalf of Captain Owen O'Hurley and the crew, we do thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. We do hope you enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you on board again very soon. Don't forget to check out our website at aerlingus.com for our cheapest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and Hertz car hire. Gwyrf míle maith the cordach, faoi tasta le Aer Lingus inniu, tásúla gwn gomain sibh tan avas an thuras. Slán agus banach déileh go léir. Goodbye, thank you, and have a safe onward journey. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy New Year. Thank you.